Are you a busy career mom struggling to lose those stubborn pounds despite your best efforts with diet and exercise? The culprit might be lurking in plain sight: stress. In this video, we'll explore 5 uncommon yet proven ways to reduce stress levels, which can have a profound impact on your ability to achieve maximum fat loss. You've probably never heard of most of these before as it relates to reducing stress for fat loss, but trust me, they work. By incorporating these simple yet effective stress-reducing techniques into your daily routine, you can optimize your hormones, boost your metabolism, and finally break through those frustrating weight loss plateaus. Stay tuned until the end, where I'll share the #1 method that I use in my Metabolic Mastery Blueprint program to help women lose stubborn belly fat and reclaim their vitality. As a nutritionist specializing in stress management and fat loss for busy women, I've witnessed firsthand the transformative power of reducing stress levels. When we address the root cause of stress, everything else falls into place, from hormonal balance to sustainable weight loss. I've helped countless women, just like you, reclaim their energy, shed unwanted pounds, and feel confident in their own skin again. Here are the 5 proven ways that you can start reducing stress for maximum fat loss starting today. Number 1, grounding. Imagine kicking off your shoes and feeling the soft grass beneath your feet. That simple act of connecting with the earth can work wonders for your stress levels and fat loss goals. Grounding, also known as earthing, helps reduce stress hormones like cortisol, which can lead to fat storage, especially around the belly. By spending just a few minutes each day walking barefoot on the grass, sand, or soil, you can improve your sleep quality, boost your mood, and support better eating habits and physical activity levels. Picture your body as a complex electrical system, constantly buzzing with energy. When you walk barefoot on the earth, you're allowing your body to discharge any excess positive ions and soak up the earth's natural negative charge. It's like hitting the reset button on your stress response, allowing your hormones to find their natural balance once again. A fascinating study published in the Journal of Environmental and Public Health found that participants who practiced grounding for just 60 minutes had a significant reduction in cortisol levels, as well as an improvement in heart rate variability, a key marker of stress resilience. By spending just a few minutes each day walking barefoot on the grass, sand, or soil, you can tap into this powerful stress-reducing practice and support your fat loss efforts from the ground up, literally. But the benefits of grounding don't stop there. By reducing cortisol levels, grounding can also help to improve your sleep quality, boost your mood, and support better eating habits and physical activity levels. It's like giving your body the natural tune-up it craves, helping you feel more balanced, energized, and ready to tackle your fat loss goals with renewed vitality. I've seen the transformative power of grounding firsthand in my work with high-achieving women just like you. One of my clients, Jennifer, was struggling with stubborn belly fat and chronic stress when she first came to work with me. By incorporating daily grounding sessions into her routine, along with targeted nutrition and lifestyle strategies, she was able to rebalance her hormones, shed those excess pounds, and reclaim her confidence and vitality. And I'm confident that the same is possible for you too. Number 2, adaptogenic herbs. Picture your body as a fortress, constantly bombarded by the arrows of stress. Adaptogenic herbs are like your trusty shield, helping you deflect these arrows and maintain balance. These powerful plants, such as ashwagandha, holy basil, and rhodiola, help your body respond more effectively to stress, reducing cortisol levels. Imagine your body as a complex machine, with countless gears and levers working together to keep you functioning at your best. When stress levels are high, it's like throwing a wrench into the works. Everything starts to grind and malfunction. But by incorporating adaptogenic herbs into your daily routine, you can help to grease those gears and keep the machine running smoothly. A study published in the Indian Journal of Psychological Medicine found that participants who took ashwagandha root extract for 60 days experienced a significant reduction in cortisol levels, as well as improvements in stress, anxiety, and overall quality of life. By helping to lower cortisol, these potent herbs can lead to decreased fat storage, improved metabolism, and enhanced energy levels for an active lifestyle. I've witnessed the transformative power of adaptogenic herbs firsthand in my work with high-achieving women struggling with chronic stress and hormonal imbalances. One client, Kelly, was a busy executive juggling a demanding career, family responsibilities, and a lingering 20 pounds she just couldn't shed. By incorporating a targeted blend of ashwagandha, holy basil, and rhodiola into her daily supplement regimen, along with personalized nutrition and lifestyle strategies, she was able to rebalance her cortisol levels, rev up her metabolism, and finally release that weight, all while feeling more energized and resilient in the face of stress. Incorporating adaptogens into your daily routine is like giving your body the secret weapon it needs to thrive in the face of modern stressors. Whether you choose to sip on a soothing cup of holy basil tea, pop a ashwagandha capsule with breakfast, or add a scoop of rhodiola powder to your morning smoothie, these powerful herbs can help you build a fortress of resiliency from the inside out. So why not give your body the support it craves and watch as you transform to a vibrant, energized, and stress-proof version of yourself that you deserve to be. Number 3, expressive journaling. Imagine your mind as a pressure cooker, ready to explode with all the stress and emotions you've bottled up inside. Expressive journaling is the perfect release valve, allowing you to let off steam and prevent full-blown meltdown. By setting aside just 5 to 10 minutes a day to write down your thoughts and feelings, you provide an emotional outlet that reduces mental stress and improves emotional regulation. Picture your thoughts and emotions as a tangled ball of yarn, with each strand representing a different worry, fear, or frustration. As you put pen to paper and begin to unravel these strands, you create space for clarity, insight, and inner peace. It's like having your own personal therapist, always ready to listen without judgment and help you process the challenges of daily life. Research published in the Journal of Health Psychology reveals that expressive writing can significantly reduce cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone. By lowering cortisol through journaling, you can prevent stress-related eating, help maintain a balanced diet, and support your body's natural fat-burning abilities. It's a simple yet powerful tool for weight loss that often gets overlooked in the pursuit of the perfect diet or exercise routine. I've seen the transformative effects of expressive journaling in my work with high-achieving women who are juggling the demands of career, family, and personal well-being. One client, Rachel, was a successful attorney who found herself turning to food for comfort whenever the stress of her job became overwhelming. By incorporating daily journaling into her self-care routine, she was able to process her emotions in a healthy way, reduce her cortisol levels, and break free from the cycle of emotional eating that had been sabotaging her weight loss efforts. So why not give yourself the gift of expressive journaling and experience the freedom that comes with releasing your inner pressure cooker? Set aside just a few minutes each day to write down your thoughts and feelings, focusing on releasing stressors and expressing your authentic self. Think of it as a daily detox for your mind, helping you shed the weight of stress and negativity so you can show up as the vibrant, confident, and radiant woman that you deserve to be. Number 4, tapping, emotional freedom techniques, also known as EFT. Imagine having a magical wand that could instantly melt away stress and anxiety. That's the power of EFT tapping. This simple technique involves tapping on specific acupuncture points while focusing on your stressors, helping you reduce emotional stress and promote relaxation. Picture your body as a complex electrical system with energy flowing through specific pathways called meridians. When you experience stress or negative emotion, it's like a short circuit in the system, causing a buildup of tension and cortisol. By tapping on specific acupressure points along these meridians, you can quickly clear the blockages, restore balance, and lower cortisol levels. A study published in the Journal of Nervous and Mental Disease found that a single hour-long EFT tapping session resulted in a significant decrease in cortisol levels, as well as improvements in anxiety, depression, and overall psychological distress. By incorporating this powerful technique into your daily stress management routine, you can prevent stress-induced fat storage, improve metabolic health, and support your body's natural fat-burning abilities. In my work with high-achieving women, I've seen firsthand how EFT tapping can be a game changer for those struggling with chronic stress and weight gain. One client, Michelle, was a busy entrepreneur who found herself turning to food for comfort whenever the pressure of running her business became overwhelming. By learning and consistently applying EFT tapping techniques, she was able to quickly reduce her stress levels, break free from emotional eating patterns, and finally shed the stubborn pounds that have been holding her back. It's like hitting the reset button on your stress response, allowing your body to focus on burning fat instead of storing it. And the best part, you can do it anytime, anywhere. No special equipment or expensive therapies are required. All you need is your own two hands and a willingness to tap into the power of your body's natural healing abilities. So why not give yourself the gift of EFT tapping and experience the freedom that comes with releasing stress and anxiety on demand? With consistent practice, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can transform your mind, body, and spirit one tap at a time. Number 5, morning walks. Picture yourself starting each day with a spring in your step and a smile on your face. That's the power of a morning walk. By incorporating a 10 to 20 minute walk into your morning routine, you kickstart your metabolism, increase energy levels, and set a positive tone for the day. Imagine your body as a car with your metabolism as the engine. Just like a car needs a warm-up before hitting the road, your metabolism needs a jump start to get revved up for the day ahead. And what better way to do that than with a refreshing morning walk? As you stroll through your neighborhood or nearby park, you're not just burning calories, you're also priming your body for optimal fat burning throughout the day. A study published in the International Journal of Obesity found that women who engaged in moderate intensity morning exercise, such as walking, experienced significant reductions in body fat over time compared to those who exercised later in the day. By making morning walks a consistent part of your routine, you can harness the fat-burning potential of your body's natural circadian rhythms and achieve lasting results. But the benefits of morning walks go beyond just physical fitness. The fresh air and gentle movement help reduce cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone, and boost your mood through the release of endorphins. It's like giving yourself a natural antidepressant each morning, setting you up for a more positive, productive day ahead. In my experience working with high-achieving women, I've seen how transformative a simple morning walk can be. One client, Amanda, was a busy executive who struggled with stress, fatigue, and stubborn weight gain. By committing to a 20-minute morning walk each day, she not only started shedding pounds, but also noticed a significant improvement in her energy levels, focus, and overall well-being. She felt more equipped to handle the challenges of her day, both personally and professionally. So why not lace up your sneakers and give yourself the gift of a morning walk? Whether you stroll solo or with a walking buddy, you'll be amazed at how this simple habit can transform your mind, body, and spirit. As you feel the fresh air on your face and the ground beneath your feet, remember that you're not just walking. You're taking in powerful strides towards a healthier, happier, and more vibrant version of yourself. Have you tried any of these stress-reducing techniques before? I know they're different, but I want you to share your experiences and any other strategies that have helped you manage stress in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and learn about your journey towards better stress management and fat loss. Now, I want to give you a bonus tip: carb cycling that's aligned with your diurnal cortisol rhythm. Imagine waking up each morning feeling energized, confident, and in control of your metabolism. That's the power of carb cycling that's aligned with your diurnal cortisol rhythm. By strategically adjusting your carb intake to work with your body's natural hormone fluctuations, you can effectively lower cortisol levels, reduce stubborn belly fat, and reclaim your vitality. Picture your body as a finely tuned machine, with each hormone playing a crucial role in regulating your metabolism and fat burning potential. When cortisol levels are chronically elevated due to the stress, poor sleep, or dietary imbalances, it's like throwing a wrench into the gears. Everything starts to malfunction, leading to that stubborn weight gain and fatigue. But by aligning your carb intake with your body's natural cortisol rhythm, you can help to remove that wrench and restore optimal function. This is the #1 method that I use in my Metabolic Mastery Blueprint program to help high-achieving women just like you lose stubborn belly fat and reclaim their energy. By following a personalized carb cycling protocol that takes into account your unique hormonal needs and daily cortisol fluctuations, you can effectively lower cortisol levels, rebalance your metabolism, and promote sustainable fat loss. Imagine the freedom of sliding back into your favorite skinny jeans with ease, feeling confident and sexy in your own skin, and having the all-day energy to keep up with your kids. That's the transformation that's possible when you harness the power of carb cycling aligned with your diurnal cortisol rhythm. I've seen this method work time and time again with my clients in the Metabolic Mastery Blueprint program, helping them shed stubborn pounds, rebalance their hormones, and reclaim their vitality. By following a step-by-step protocol that includes becoming fat adapted, creating a personalized carb cycling plan, and aligning their mindsets for success, these women have achieved life-changing results that last. So if you're ready to finally break free from the frustrating cycle of yo-yo dieting, stubborn weight gain, and hormonal chaos, I invite you to book your Dream Body Blueprint session with my team today. We specialize in helping women just like you rebalance their metabolism, shed unwanted fat, and reclaim their confidence using the proven method of carb cycling aligned with your diurnal cortisol rhythm. Simply click the link below to grab your spot and take the first step towards the body and the life that you deserve. Now that you have the proven ways to reduce stress, check out the next video in this series where I will share natural hacks to help melt belly fat. You won't want to miss it. I'll see you there.